हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं क्लास 11 ऑल्टरनेटिव इंग्लिश की पोएम डैफोडिल्स के क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स के बारे में। इस पोएम पर एक्सप्लेनेशन की वीडियो ऑलरेडी बन चुकी है। अगर आपने उस वीडियो को नहीं देखी है तो उसे जाकर ज़रूर देख लें। इससे आपको इस क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स को समझने में काफ़ी ज़्यादा आसानी होगी। तो चलिए आज कुछ नया सीखते हैं। हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, आफ्टर रीडिंग द पोएम कैन यू गेस व्हाट ए डैफोडिल इज? आंसर, यस, डैफोडिल इज ए प्लांट हैविंग येलो फ्लावर्स। हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द पोएट सेज ही वंडर्ड लोनली एज ए क्लाउड, which means he was option A going from place to place without a special reason or purpose, option B moving about in a cloud, option C the cloud was all alone in the sky। So इसका आंसर जो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है वो है ऑप्शन नंबर A, going from place to place without a special reason or purpose। हमारा थर्ड क्वेश्चन है, द पोएट सेज दैट ही सो 10,000 एट ए ग्लांस। Does this mean option A there were 10,000 of them, option B there were many of them and option C they were countless? तो इसका आंसर है they were countless, यानी कि ऑप्शन नंबर C। हमारा फोर्थ क्वेश्चन है, द पोएट सेज दैट ए पोएट कुड नॉट बी बट गे इन सच ए जोकंड कंपनी। व्हाट डू यू थिंक जोकंड कंपनी मीन्स? इज ही हैप्पी और अनहैप्पी इन सच कंपनी? आंसर, जोकंड कंपनी means a happy and cheerful company. The view of the dancing daffodils and the dancing waves was cheerful and made the poet happy and delighted. In such a company, the poet is happy. हमारा फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन है, what does the poet mean when he says that he gazed and gazed but little thought what wealth the show to me had brought? How does the scene benefit him either materially or emotionally? Give reasons for your answer. Answer, here the poet is saying that he was very happy to see the view of the golden daffodils, that he was through thoughtlessly to think about what wealth had brought the show. He did not understand what a treasure of pleasure he had carried in himself. He was so much happy to see the view that he looking long and steadily at them being dumbfolded. Whenever the poet was in off mood, the view flashed in mind and made him happy and cheerful. So he had collected a source of ceaseless happiness by the view of daffodils, which had brought him pleasure. Hence, the cheerful daffodils view benefited him both materially and emotionally, as it has given him a cheerful company when he was or when he is in solitude. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 है, what does vacant and pensive mood mean? Tick the correct option। तो तीन ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं। ऑप्शन A, a thoughtful and contemplative mood, ऑप्शन B, a sad mood and ऑप्शन C, a thoughtless state of mind। So इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन B, a sad mood। सेवेंथ क्वेश्चन है, what does the inward eye mean? What is it that flashes upon this eye? Do you think the poet is affected by it in any way? Give reasons for your answer। इसका आंसर है, the inward eye means the eye of the mind, that is the mental eyes. The poet mentions that in his mental or inward eye the cheerful view of the golden daffodils is flashed, and whenever the view of the daffodils comes on his mind, the poet becomes happy and cheerful and begins to dance with the golden daffodils. The cheerful view pleases his mind and his mind becomes active. In this way he is benefited by the daffodils. Whenever the poet is lonely and is in off mood, the view of the golden daffodils come to his mind, and its beauty has brought him a treasure of joy. As soon as it flashes to his inward eyes, his mind fills with joy and dances with the golden daffodils. He forgets everything, and such a view has brought a source of pleasure into his life. हमारा लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, why has the poet described solitude as being blissful? According to the poet, solitude as being blissful because when poet is alone and in an off mood, the cheerful view of the daffodils comes into his mind and at once he becomes cheerful. In fact, none can enjoy solitude because solitude is boring and there is nobody to share one's own feelings. But here the poet is very happy and cheerful in solitude whenever the view of daffodils comes to his mind. It gives him pleasure. He cheers up with the dancing daffodils in solitude because he does not get bored by solitude, but solitude brings the memory of the cheerful view to his mind. Thus, the view of the golden daffodils is the bliss of solitude to the poet. तो फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ खत्म होती है हमारी आज की वीडियो। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो आप इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाना बिल्कुल ना भूलें, ताकि आप भी हमारे इस सुंदर से परिवार का सदस्य बन सकें। तो दोस्तों, मिलते हैं हमारे अगले वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए आप अपना ख्याल रखें। थैंक यू।